While winter has tightened its grip on the national capital, Delhi has recorded its first cold wave of the season, with temperatures now plunging sharply and dense fog disrupting a daily life. On Saturday, Delhi witnessed its coldest December day so far, as the maximum temperature dropped to 16.9 degrees Celsius, a full 5.3 degrees below the normal. For the first time this winter, Delhi officially met the cold wave day criteria. This is where two of the city's 5 monitoring stations in Safdarjung and Palam, they recorded cold wave conditions. Safdarjung here logged a maximum of 16.9 degrees, while Palam dipped further to 16.3 degrees, nearly 5.6 degrees below the normal conditions. Now, comparatively, viewers, December's lowest maximum temperature stood at 14.6 degrees in 2024, while it was 15.9 in 2023 and 15.6 in 2022. Now, the minimum temperature on Saturday settled at 6.1 degrees Celsius, also below normal criteria. Now, morning visibility too took a severe hit, dropping to just 200 meters at Safdarjung and about 350 meters at Palam. Now, while conditions improved slightly by afternoon, shallow to moderate fog continued to linger across the city for most of the day. The IMD has now warned of a dense to very dense fog today and has also issued an orange alert. Temperatures are expected to hover around 23 degree maximum and about 9 degrees Celsius minimum. Delhi Airport has meanwhile issued a passenger advisory to ensure access and provide real-time winter-ready travel updates. So in any case, if you have a flight to board today, do check in your schedule before leaving.
ओवरऑल बात करें, इस समय एक एक्टिव वेस्टर्न डिस्टर्बेंस है जो नॉर्थ वेस्ट इंडिया को आने वाले 3 से 4 दिन प्रभाव करेगा. उसके प्रभाव से हमारा अनुमान है कि पूरा हिमालयन रीजन में लाइट मॉडरेट रेनफॉल स्नोफॉल एक्टिविटी लगातार चलती रहेगी 3 दिनों तक. और उसके साथ ही कल के लिए 21 के लिए हमारा हैवी रेनफॉल हैवी स्नोफॉल का भी अनुमान है जो कश्मीर वैली में हो सकती है. और उसके साथ प्लेन्स में भी स्पेसिफिकली पंजाब के जो नॉर्थन पार्ट हैं, पठानकोट और जॉइनिंग एरिया, वहां भी हल्का फुल्का रेनफॉल आने वाले 3 दिनों में हो सकता है.